Look at this.
At a jungle hut, this female finds a saw. Despite being totally wild, somehow she has worked out what to do with it. Like us, orangutans have an opposable thumb that allows them to grasp and handle objects with precision. Over 20 years ago, a rescue orangutan learned how to saw by watching people constructing the huts here. But this is a totally different and wild orangutan. She seems to take pride in her work. Even clearing away the sawdust.
Oh, jeez.
She's so smart, she uses her feet as a vice.
This is awesome.
Filming a wild-born and free-living orangutan mastering this complex task is remarkable. But now, she's not the only orangutan sawing.
Oh, because that's
Spy
the
orangutan
spy
has joined her.
orangutan.
It seems to be bringing out a competitive streak. She's becoming even more enthusiastic. Sawing is tiring. She's lost all momentum. Then, finally, calls it a day. Spy orangutan may have machine-like stamina, but it's the astonishing and versatile mind of the real orangutan that's won the day. She certainly earned her rest.
That was cute.